Good morning, students. I hope you are fine and taking good care of yourselves. Today's session is about lesson 14.5, Measure Volume, and we are going to cover page number 763 to 766. Okay, so let's have a look on today's objectives, what we are going to learn in today's lesson. So we will learn how to use standard units to estimate liquid volume. So in yesterday's lesson, we learned some concepts related to liquid. So the first one was capacity. So quickly tell me, what is capacity? Excellent, it is liquid volume. Now what is a liquid volume? Very good. The amount of liquid a container can hold is liquid volume. Now we also discussed about some standard units of liquid, or we can use to represent the liquid volume. So quickly tell me, what were those? Excellent, liters and milliliters. Now which one is smaller between liter and milliliter? Excellent, milliliter is smaller. Now how many milliliters makes 1 liter? How many milliliter make 1 liter? Excellent, 1000 milliliters make 1 liter. So let's have a look on today's lessons video and watch it very carefully, and then we will solve some problems related to measuring the liquid volume.
How do you measure capacity? Let's find out. Eric is cleaning his fishbowl and wants to know how much water he needs to refill the fishbowl. How can he find the capacity of the fishbowl? Eric needs to be precise to measure the capacity of the fishbowl. What does the abbreviation ml mean? The abbreviation ml means milliliters. How many milliliters are represented by each little mark on the 1-liter container? Each mark represents 100 milliliters. If the top mark were labeled in milliliters, what would it say? The top line represents 1,000 milliliters. Pour from the fishbowl into the 1-liter container. Empty the container and repeat until the fishbowl is empty. Why is it important to fill the container each time all the way to the 1-liter mark? Unless the container is filled all the way to the 1-liter mark, you cannot accurately measure the capacity of the fishbowl. The 1-liter container was filled 5 times.
As you work, it is helpful to keep a record of the measurements made.
So the capacity of the fishbowl is 5 liters. What other containers might have a capacity of 5 liters? Some containers that might have a 5-liter capacity are a mixing bowl, a large kitchen pot, or a watering can. Now you know how to measure capacity.
Okay, so lesson 14.5, measure liquid volume. What is a problem given? Use a marked 1-liter beaker to measure the capacity of 6 other containers. Record your measurement in a chart, then list them in order from least to greatest volume. Now what you have to do, as we have just watched in the video, we have to use a beaker where 1 liter is marked on that. If you don't have beaker at your home, you can use a water bottle, but the capacity of that water bottle must be 1 liter. Or you can use a milk pack, a pack where it is mentioned that this pack is 1 liter milk pack. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to fill that milk pack or your water bottle or the 1 liter beaker with the water, and pour the water in the container, and then you have to find out that how many liters or milliliters that container's capacity is. This is same like we learned in the video. So then you have to record the measurements from least to greatest in a chart. So if you will make a chart, so what is the least container among all the pictures? What do you think can hold least amount of the liquid? Quickly tell me. Excellent. This mug seems smaller among all the containers. And then after mug, what is the second smaller container? Excellent. This glass, drinking glass. And then very nice, this water bottle, and so on. So you have to measure the capacity of different containers mentioned in the picture, and then write them from least to greatest in the chart. So this is how I did. So the first one, or the smallest one, was the mug, and its capacity was 200 ml. Then I took a drinking glass from my kitchen and I measured the capacity, and it was a 300 ml. Then a water bottle, which I take with me to my school, and its capacity is 1 liter. And then a watering can. This watering can, which we use to water the plant, its capacity was 4 liter. And then a kitchen pot. You can choose any kitchen pot from your kitchen and measure the capacity. And the one I measured was having 5 liters of capacity. And then bucket, you can choose any bucket which you have at your home, and the bucket I have in my home, its capacity is 10 liters. Okay, next page, question 1. What you have to do, find a container that you think holds less than a liter. Measure the capacity of the container. So what you have to do, just go to your kitchen and find a container which you think hold less than 1 liter. Just draw the container here, or you can mention the name of the container and then write its capacity, that how many milliliters. Of course, if it is less than a liter, so the unit you write with your capacity will be excellent, milliliters. Very nice. Okay, question 2. What is the capacity of 2 mugs like the one in another example shown above? So this question is related to this mug, which you can see above here, and it is written that the capacity of the mug is 300 milliliters. So quickly tell me, if one mug's capacity is 300, so 2 mugs will have how much capacity? Excellent. 300 plus 300. Very good. And it is equal to, excellent, 600 milliliters. So the capacity of 2 mugs will be 600 milliliter. Okay, question 3. What is the total capacity represented in each picture? So how many beakers you can see in the picture? Excellent. 4. And each beaker is having how many liters or milliliters of the liquid? Excellent. 1 liter. All the beakers have 1 liter of liquid. So 4 beakers have excellent 4 liters capacity. Okay. In question 4, the capacity of this beaker is excellent 1 liter, and the capacity of this beaker is just 1 mark above the 500, so it will be excellent 600. So the capacity of these two beakers is 1 liter and 600 milliliters. Excellent. So question 5, 6 and 7 you have to do yourself just like we did the questions above. Okay, next page, math practice and problem solving. Question 8, Lawrence received a gift basket with 200 jar of grape jam and a 350 milliliter jar of strawberry jam. Okay, he received a gift and the gift basket was having two types of jams. Okay, so one was 200 milliliter and the other was 350 milliliter. Okay, his sister used 135 milliliters of the grape jam. How much jam does he have left? So we have the word left. So when you see the word left in a problem, it indicates what? Excellent, subtraction. So the sister eats how many milliliters? Excellent, 135 milliliters of which jam? Grape jam or strawberry jam? Excellent, grape jam. So in the beginning, what was the capacity of grape jar when he received the gift? Very good. It was 200. Excellent. And the sister ate or used 135. Excellent. So this is equal to excellent 65. Very good. Now the capacity of the grape jam left is 65. Okay. And he also has the other jam, the strawberry jam. And what is the capacity of strawberry jam jar? Excellent, 350. And what is the capacity of grape jam? Excellent, 65. Now I want to find how much the total capacity left. So what operation I will use here? Plus or minus, I want to find the total milliliters of jam left. Excellent. I will add, and here you will find your sum, and that will be the capacity left. Now question 9, find a container that you think holds more than a liter. Measure the capacity of that container. Now again you have to go to your kitchen and find a container that you think hold more than a liter. And then you have to write the capacity, like how many liters and milliliters that container can hold. So this is the assessment for today's lesson. Use the picture of water jugs to find the amount of water the team drank during the soccer practice. Okay, so before soccer practice, this was the capacity. And after the soccer practice, this is the capacity. So 15, and what number is this? How you will find out? Excellent. You will subtract 15 liters minus this number and you will get your answer. So circle the correct answer. So that's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and you learned the concept. I will see you in the next video with the new lesson. Till then, take care and stay safe. And don't forget to do your homework. Your homework is assigned on Pearson online. So just log into your Pearson account and do your homework.